is this. See the bubbles are coming or not. Not coming. See, it is coming now. Water you have to add. Okay. There is no water. See, like that it should come. Okay. Add water to this. Okay. Yes. Now find out this one is here. Okay. Like this it should come. See, record that. Okay. So turning very slowly you have to do. Okay. Once you do that, then you take this. Okay. Pat it. Okay. Make all the flies down. Okay. So they will get anesthetized. Okay. This bubble, this much bubble you should get. Don't get more bubbles, it will blast. We have done that also. And there are chances to injure. So be very gentle. So once it is anesthetized, okay, now your work starts. What work? There are few more there. Drop them also. Give that cover slip now. Cover slip was there. Okay, this cover slip. Wash and keep. Okay, this with isopropyl also. So behavior usually we don't do after segregating immediately. We keep it in a fresh food. Do next to tomorrow. Okay. Once it is done, you have to adjust.
0.6.
Okay. This is, you can adjust to the 0.8. 0.8 or 1. 0.8 is fine. Once you do this, okay. So can you say what is this? This is female. Okay. This is male. Chota one. This is female. Okay. This is male. So now what you do? You take this thing. You try to segregate them. Okay. Okay. Male and female you will segregate. First you do it here only. Use this is for dissection. For segregation you have to use this brush. Okay. Male and female.